Hi everyone, this is Jyoti. Before you get started with the actual video of Mamaearth, I wanted to put some facts here. I want to say something about the brand. Mamaearth has become one of the most controversial brands in India. Customers do not like the brand because actually people are fed up of seeing Mamaearth everywhere. Their marketing campaigns are all over the place. The brand is literally pushing the product into your face that see, you have to buy this, go ahead, buy this, and that is why people are getting fed up. The brand is literally spamming the people with their products and their campaigns. People think influencers and YouTubers are being paid to speak what they speak about the brand. People are not really happy with the brand. So I just wanted to say that whatever I have spoken in the video is my personal opinion, what I feel about the certain product. That is why you will see both the good products and the bad products of the brand. There are some products which are liked by a lot of people, even famous YouTubers, but those products didn't work for me. So that is why I'm sharing my personal opinion, and I hope that you keep that in mind. As I have said earlier as well, if a product doesn't work for me, that doesn't mean it will not work for you either. Whatever I am saying in this video, in the video which you are going to see, I have shared what I found the best from the brand and what didn't work for me at all. What I found the worst, like their hair masks and their hair products, was a major failure for me. I didn't do anything. In fact, it really made my hair more rough and drier than it was before. But their face products, face masks worked for me. I'm sharing the products which I liked and also sharing the things which I don't like, so that with the reviews I intend to help you in making your decision, so that you can make the right decision whether you want to splurge your money on a particular product or not, based on my experience, how it worked for me. If you are the same skin or hair type that I am, if it didn't work for me, I'm just giving you an idea. If you still want to try it, go ahead, buy a sample size, and then you can, if it works for you, you can buy the bigger size. This video which you are going to see now was shot on 26th April 2020. I couldn't upload it at that time because I had shot a bunch of videos together, and this did not make it to the editing table at that time. And now while I was going through my files, I found this and edited it and uploaded it right now. So sorry for the delay. I shot it on 26th April. After that, I bought 2 more products from Mamaearth and I really liked them. So I thought of sharing it right now. Before you move ahead with the actual video, those 2 products which I ordered during this time. One is this cocoa yogurt with coffee and cocoa. If you have watched all my videos, you would know I'm a coffee lover. So I had to get this. When I bought their cocoa body butter, I didn't like it much. This one smells like coffee candy and it's divine. The texture of this, I don't know if the camera is picking it or not. It's like a gel slime kind of a thing. The difference between this and the body butter was that this yogurt is very gel-like and it gets absorbed into the skin in a jiffy. It feels like you're applying water on your skin. On the other hand, body butter one was like it used to leave an oily film on the skin. This one does not. This yogurt one does not hydrate much. If you ask me which one is more moisturizing, I would obviously say the body butter one is more moisturizing than this yogurt. But fragrance wise, I like this fragrance. And if you have oily skin type and you just want little bit of hydration, no intense moisturizer, then you should go for this one instead of the body butter one. This smells amazing. Being a hardcore coffee fan, I ordered this as well. This is cocoa face wash with coffee and cocoa. Oh my god, this also smells like coffee. I have not all, I have 3 face washes from the brand. That is one Upton face wash, the charcoal one, and now this cocoa and coffee one. Now, without any doubt, this one is my most favorite one. Charcoal, I was not very fascinated by it. I didn't like the fragrance much. Upton one, as I said in my video, it cannot be used on a regular basis as it has physical exfoliants present in it, and those are not gentle particles. It's gritty, and exfoliating with physical scrub on an everyday basis is not recommended at all. It may enlarge your pores, it ruins the texture of the skin. So that's pretty much it about these 2 new products. Go ahead and watch the video. Bye. I have all the 3 face masks from Mamaearth. My most favorite one is the C3 face mask for healthy and glowing skin, charcoal, coffee, clay and fruit extracts. I love this mask. It's amazing. It instantly brightens the skin. I have hit the bottom of the tub and I am going to repurchase it. I loved it so much. It helps in improving the texture of the skin. I'm a big fan of their face masks. They have done some amazing job with their face masks. Now coming to the face washes, I have 2 variants. I cannot find the other one right now. I'll just put a picture here of charcoal and of the black face wash. I don't remember the name properly right now. I love that one more than this because this face wash has some harsh particles, which is kind of I feel this is kind of a scrub, because face wash is something which is meant to be used daily. This cannot be used daily. It has some aggressive particles which I do not recommend at all. It can cause micro tears in the skin, as I have talked about it a lot of times. You should use exfoliants that are gentle, and this being a face wash has so many harsh particles. You shouldn't use this daily. On the other hand, this black one has no rough particles. I have both the day cream and the night cream. I love the night cream way more than the day cream. I have dry skin and this feels amazing. It smells amazing. It has collagen, saffron and daisy flower, and it nourishes the skin well. I love this. Talking about the night cream, it's a bit on the oilier side. I'll show you the texture of this is day cream and this is night cream. The night cream is a bit like a lotion. The day cream on the other hand is a bit thicker in texture. See, this is the day cream, a bit on the heavier side. It takes time to get into the skin, and on the other hand, night cream is like a lotion. The day cream has SPF 20 in it. It's a bit thick as compared to the night cream. Mamaearth shampoo and conditioner. It does not do any wonders for the hair, but it works okay-ish. It does the job of a shampoo. That's not something fascinating, but it does the basic job of cleaning the scalp and the hair. Do not expect the conditioner to provide you with nourishment. It does not. It does not do anything. Conditioner doesn't do anything. If you buy this, you're going to waste your money on this. That's it. It doesn't condition the hair at all. At least for me, it didn't. And whatever the products I'm talking about, I'm talking in terms of how it worked for me. That product might or might not work for you, and I'm sharing my experience. This sunscreen didn't work for me at all. I hate its fragrance. This is not something I'll put on my face. It's a bit on the oilier side. The skin looks oily. The smell is kind of artificial. That is why I'm just trying to finish it off by applying it on my hands and legs, because I cannot bear that smell near my nose. I cannot use it on my face. Makes my face oily. I really regret buying this one. Coming to the aloe turmeric gel, I was really excited for this one, but it didn't do anything noticeable. If you keep it in fridge 20 minutes before applying it, it helps in cooling down the skin. I use it on my scalp before shampooing. I mix it with oil and use it on my scalp. It provides that cooling effect, and that's pretty much it. Mamaearth Cocoa Body Butter. It does smell like cocoa and coffee. So as I was saying, it actually smells like cocoa and coffee, but it has an additional fragrance which, ruins the fragrance of coffee and cocoa. But it's good. Talking about the Mamaearth Organic Bamboo Wipes, best part about these wipes is it's biodegradable. Some days when I'm too lazy to wash my face, I use this to remove my sunscreen. I don't wear makeup on daily basis, but when I go to college, I apply sunscreen and a bit of lip balm. So whenever I come home from college, I always wash my face, and if I'm too lazy to wash my face, I use these wipes to wipe the all the dust and sunscreen off my face before going to bed. Now talking about the Mamaearth skin repair body lotion with mango and kokum butter. This smells like a balm, like Volany or Move. You don't want to apply a body lotion which smells like you're sick. It has a very nasty smell. It smells like those painkiller balms that are available in the market. It smells like that. I have two hair masks from Mamaearth. One is Argan hair mask and the other one is tea tree hair mask. Now, it might have worked for some people out there, but this didn't work for me at all. I finished the whole tub. I could not see a difference in my hair. It did not do anything for my hair, nothing at all. In fact, it made my hair a bit more rough than what it was. Do not waste your money on these. Same with the tea tree hair mask. It is supposed to remove the flakiness of the skin. It didn't work for me. It was such a waste of money. I'm not going to recommend it or buy it. Mamaearth lip balm. I do not have that lip balm with me right now. I don't remember where I have kept it because I just don't use it. It is waxy. It stays like a layer on your skin. It does not provide any nourishment, any hydration. It was a big failure for me. Talking about the Mamaearth Skin Plump Face Serum with hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil. This does not do anything on your skin. Nothing at all. It's just for namesake. You are applying a serum on your face. It was an absolute waste of money for me because it did not provide hydration. I just couldn't feel any change once I started using it. About to get over and still I couldn't see any change on my skin. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from this channel. Bye.